The Marugame Seimen fast food udon noodle chain apologized on May 23rd. After a frog was found at the bottom of a cup of shake salad udon. On May 11th, a supermarket in Nagano also found a frog in salad. Why are frogs suddenly showing up in food in Japan? How did they get into salad? Some experts say tree frogs proliferate in May and June. They lay eggs in water. Maybe the frogs were picked up with the sunny lettuce. After the incident, some people say, "I'm scared of eating fresh salad." Some experts say, "Don't worry, there's no health risk, even if a frog gets in our mouth." If you find a frog in salad, it means the lettuce comes from farms that don't use pesticides.